Good morning, everyone. Welcome to new lesson today. Today we will learn about how to hide and unhide the Excel ribbon. Let's learn first what is ribbon. So I have told you this before also. Let's cover it again. What is ribbon? Ribbon includes tabs labeled home, insert, page layout, formulas, data, review, view, and help. When you select a tab, the area below the ribbons displays a set of groups with the groups button representing a variety of commands. You can see every tab has different commands. Formula, then it has different commands. In data, there are so many ribbons. These are ribbons. So today we will learn how we can hide and unhide this ribbon. So now let's learn how we can hide and unhide Excel ribbon. You can see I have written a shortcut key over here, Control plus F1. Let's see how does it work. You can see I have pressed Control F1 and it has hide the ribbons. And what if you want to get back to the previous one, you want to see your ribbons back, then you need to press the same simple key, F1, Control F1. And one thing more I would like to tell you, if you are using laptop, then you will be pressing Control Fn plus F1. First you need to press Control Fn plus F1, then this ribbon will hide, and if you have to get the ribbons back, then you need to press the same. And if you are working on desktop, if you have a desktop, then you just need to press Control F1, because when we work on laptop, then we always need to press Fn to use any keys. For F1, F2, F3, F4, these are the keys. And if you want these keys to function, if you want these keys to be function, then if you press Control F1, F2, then it won't work. You need to press Control Fn along with F1, only then it will work. So this is the difference between desktop and laptop while working with these keys. Alright, I have already written this shortcut key over here, and I told you already about laptop. If you are working with laptop, then you will be pressing Control Fn then F1. This is very simple. If you want to hide this ribbons, then just simply press Control Fn then F1. See, now you have more space, so you can see all the ribbons are hidden. So with this shortcut key, you can switch according to your requirement. So this is all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.